Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix computer shutdown problem. So first method is you need to turn off fast startup. To do that, first you need to go to search bar, type control panel, click on it, and you need to go to the view by set as large icons, and you need to go to the power options, click on choose what the power buttons do. Okay, click the link change setting that are currently unavailable option. Okay, now you need to uncheck turn on fast startup option like this, then after tap on save changes. And the second method is you need to check for background shutdown blockers. So you need to right click on the taskbar, go to task manager, click on more details tab, go to the startup option. Okay, now you need to look for any unrecognized third-party programs with the high startup impact. So you can see startup impact, and you can see this is the high impact and this one also high impact. If you see any third-party unrecognized application that shows high, you need to select that one, tap on disable option. In my case OneDrive is not needed, so I'm going to click on disable. Then you can see status change into disable. So the next method is you need to force the complete shutdown via command prompt. To do that, this will bypass any glitch desktop apps. So first you need to go to search bar, type command prompt, right click on it, tap on run as administrator. Okay, now you need to type shutdown space /s space /f space /t space 0 and hit enter. Assume this happened while you are working on your computer, so you need to check for overheating, because if your thermal paste is too old or thermal paste not in that CPU section, you need to shut down your computer and check your temperature of the CPU and check the thermal pad. So the next method is you need to run a system file scan, because some of the system power files corrupted will happen to this kind of shutdowns. To do that, you need to again open the command prompt and you need to type sfc space /scan now and hit enter. This will scan the entire system. Finally, you need to test for power supply unit. Sometime your power supply unit can be cause for this kind of shutdown. You need to test with another one to check the problem is fixed or not.